15th of February, we were getting a volume of calls, which really we could see at that point there was going to be much larger than one office could handle, and so our national team was engaged.
We joke about it a bit that, back in the Katrina days, you take on 50 or 70 losses and you're feeling good about yourself, and we're at 800.
We don't perform all that work with our own two hands. Our national team comes in and brings all the additional horsepower and manpower and know-how to help us get all that work across the finish line.
Well, at the beginning of every CAT, it's a little hectic because you're bringing in a lot of material. You're trying to get a lot of things out on jobs really quickly. When you have multiple jobs like this and they're scattered out everywhere, it makes it a little bit challenging.
We secured 27 CAT trailers worth of equipment, 3,000 to 3,500 dehumidifiers, 7,000 air movers, up close to like 1,000 air scrubbers. And we're talking 27 53-foot trailers.
The means to organize and manage customer expectations in those first 72 hours is really when the stress is at an all-time high, because you've got people, when are you going to get to my building? Where am I at in line? And when the line grows to 300 or 400 people in just a few hours, it's stressful.
We deal in crisis. That's what we do all day.
If you're not excited about when it gets busy like this, you're in the wrong business.
Totally.
This is something fun for us.
There were some serious challenges in regard to the beginning of this. The roads really weren't passable in a lot of places.
In certain areas such as Texas, you don't get ice a lot like this, or sub-zero temperatures, you just hang around. And so we have to adapt to, how's that affecting our people, because they're still dealing with the damages that where they live and the shortages and everything else, but still coming to work to take care of our clients.
Typically from 8 until like 7:30, 8 o'clock. We could stay a little later, but unfortunately down there on the first unit, it's no lights. So when it gets dark, we have to, hey, it's getting dark. It's kind of time to leave. Yeah.
We're all beat up and tired doing 100 plus hours a week and, taking baths by bottled water, but everybody was still up the next morning ready to go.
It's for the field operations. There's a lot of sacrifices that are made.
A lot of late nights, but that's what winning is.
This was a great event. We probably had more response than we ever have from the other players. Everybody engaged, every partner in the business.
Our IT department stepped up. A lot of people that it's not in their day job have gotten out of their comfort zone, their box, and dove in and helped where we need them.
The outpour of support from the other branches has been phenomenal. Not only sending people, but sending equipment, sending, expertise. People that down here that are, never been to Texas, but they're jumping on board and they're full speed ahead, and it's been great.
Like I said, we go into a lot of bad things and a lot of negatives, but there's always that light at the end. And it's really nice to see others helping everybody out.
I hope when it's all said and done, they know that we're doing everything we possibly can to get them taken care of.
It's not just dots on a map anymore. It's full service locations in major sports cities and in major cities across America. So now we as individuals have to grow into those roles even more every single day.
We're evolving in what it means to be a billion-dollar organization. And fortunately, we have a lot of players and partners and people that are committed to help and support that.
We have to become first on site, not just on a logo, but we have to become it internally.
When I'm addressing people in emails now, it's like, hey, first on-site team, I'm excited about it. I think it's going to be great for us.
We have to take our general managers and our operational leaders and further empower them to make those decisions and to continue to run and grow as first on site.
With all the resources that we have, all the team that we have coming together, I have no doubt we'll get it done.